Let's go shopping for some keto-friendly, anti-inflammatory deals. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell button, because if you don't subscribe, that's pretty rude. Now, I'm your girl, Shelly. Okay, dancing's not my strong suit, but saving money is my strong suit. Come along with me as we hit Super One Foods and Albertsons spending under $100. 84 to be exact. The biggest complaints that I get into my clinic, and I work with hundreds of weight loss, anti-inflammatory, RA, osteoporosis, fibromyalgia, arthritis, is that we're afraid to go shopping for a plan because it's gonna cost so much money. And last time I checked, money wasn't growing on the tree back there. Is it? No. Most of us are really trying to pinch those pennies, like myself. Long story short, long ago when my husband and I got married, we did Dave Ramsey. It was fantastic. We thought we were big and bad because we would walk into places paying cash. We were making it rain up in there. We kind of fell off the plan. We have 2 kids. We bought a couple of business, and we're right back to that baby step 2. You do not have to go to the fancy supermarkets in your town. Now, if you bougie, you go be bougie, boo. But there's a part of me that's not bougie. I'm from the bayou, y'all. But really one of my goals is meal planning and keeping it cheap, and that's what you're here for today. I hit Albertsons and I hit Super One Foods, making sure to spend under $100, and I am so excited to tell you all that we spent only $84. But the best part is that it's not for the week. We're gonna pack up and store a lot of these things for the rest of the month. I will announce when some things are not anti-inflammatory. For our deli meats, we definitely want to look for those nitrate-free foods. I avoid soy at all costs because it's one of the things that are sensitive to me. It's a good idea to see your local allergist and get tested to see what foods bother you, because those are the ones we want to stay away from. For example, cheese does not bother me, so I'm gonna gobble the heck of it up. But there are some things that do, such as soy, such as MSG, and such as gluten, and those are known things that bother me. I'm not making this up. For anyone out there who's gonna go, Shelly, you're just saying that so people can follow you. No, boo, when I eat gluten, I look like the Michelin Man. Put it out there, not cute. So come along with me. Let me show you what I got. Let me show you the meal plan. Talking Super One Foods, we hit the produce. I was so excited when I checked out the paper and I saw these amazing deals. Cabbage, the cabbage was 39 cents, and Cabbage Gang has such a long life. It is a great vegetable to buy right now. It's gonna go in that pork that we're gonna make. We also got the green peppers, 3 for $99. We got the cucumbers, 3 for $99. That's gonna be something that will be part of our lunches. The kids love strawberries. Those were $1.50. Okay, so the bacon's not nitrate free. I know I need to do that for my migraines. We also have below that, which I'm super jazzed about, was the Hormel Natural Choice was on a pretty decent sale. So this will be my lunchbox favorite for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then we have cheese, and yes, it is open because I started eating some of it. In the back over there, you see our 2 pounds of our pork. I was so jazzed about this. It was like $4.24. That's gonna be part of our slow cooker meal, but it's gonna give me 2 meals, which is so gosh darn exciting. We get to freeze it, and again, I'm really hoping all this stuff will last me. Obviously not the produce, but the meat will last me for the month because I love to save money, and this boo-boo girl over here is doing Dave Ramsey so I can pay off some debt, so that is gonna work for me. So gang, let me introduce you to our Albertsons haul, and I can't talk right now, and I'm such a ding dong. I forgot to tell you that Super One haul was $34. Super jazzed about that because I'm trying to keep us really under that $400 range. Last month we did $360 total. Here is our Albertsons haul. That was $50. We have those 2 eggs back there. They were 2 for $1.50. We have our ground beef, and yes, the ingredients in there are 100% ground meat. I still do make sure I am looking at the ingredients, but I'm really trying to save us some money. You see all this tuna. Let me zoom in on her. Y'all know by now I'm Catholic. I'm gonna be eating a lot of tuna on some Tuesdays. Those were $79 Tuesdays. Lord, what is wrong with me? On Fridays, I'm a bad Catholic, I guess. Why did I say Tuesday? When you're buying the flavored tuna, if you're like me and very sensitive to soy, make sure you're buying the flavors without soy. The hot buffalo style does not have soy in it. We did do some salami that was not on my shopping list, but it was on clearance and there's no nitrates in there, unlike the bacon that I purchased at Super One. Sorry. Oh, I love salami. Oh, I love just any kind of bad meat, but it's nitrate free, so I'm gonna have it as a date. Now this deli meat right here is for Greg. Well, let me grab it real quick. It does say no added steroids. Okay, I can't focus. Here we go. Let's try to focus this bad boy. There we go. No added steroids, no hormones, no artificial flavors. No, it looks like it's gluten-free, which is pretty awesome, so that makes me happy. But I'm still gonna stick with the Applegate deli meat. I have a little bit left over. If you're buying seafood and the seafood is on sale, do a little look at where that seafood comes from. This is Gulf Coast shrimp that we did purchase, but gang, please remember you want to get American seafood from the Gulf Coast. Absolutely, because who knows where that stuff is grown. That we do have cheese here. The cheese was on sale, and I am so lucky that I can still have cheese, that the cheese doesn't give me headaches or any kind of pain. There are some folks in my clinic though that I have to pull the cheese. Cheese is one of the last things I pull because it is so enjoyable and so many folks love it. So let's talk wine. So a glass of Cabernet has 3.5 grams of carb. This Cabernet, the Yellowtail, was on clearance. Before anybody makes fun of me, it was on clearance. And remember, I am no stranger to Trader Joe's $2 Chuck. And if you are a wine snob, you do you, boo. I'm gonna do me, boo. You can go and spend your $100 a bottle on wine. I'm gonna spend my $4.77. We can still be friends, but I'm gonna just tell you straight up how it is. I like a clearance, I like a sale. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it about vino. I did have 2 bottles. My husband and I had one last night. Now, if wine does cause you headaches, this is something we may have to look at you ordering the fit wines or those types that you see a lot on Facebook. But for me personally, wine does not aggravate my headaches. And so many folks ask me, how do I know what aggravates me, what not, what doesn't? You can definitely schedule an appointment with an allergist and get some great allergy testing done. You could also do LEAP testing. There's a lot of different testing that you can do and that we recommend in our clinic for folks, because why wouldn't you want to know? You want to know what you're sensitive to. My sensitivity is definitely soy, it's definitely MSG, and it is definitely gluten. I blow up like crazy. I look like the Michelin Man whenever I eat gluten. You obviously see no gluten here. So gang, here's the coolest thing. $54 at Albertsons. Ta-da! Here is our menu for the week. Now, a lot of the meat I did use from a huge sale that they had at Albertsons a couple weeks ago. My goal when meat is on sale is I'll buy it, I'll freeze it, and I'll use it. And really, gang, with this haul that I did at both Super One and over at Albertsons, I think I'm done for the month, which is super exciting because we are, March 5th, 6th, depending on whatever day this is you watch it. So the biggest tip that I give to folks is let's only prep 2 meals. And you see slow cooker down there, SC, that means slow cooker. I have a turkey in the slow cooker right now. It's a tenderloin that I got on sale at Albertsons. We put a little Tony's in there. I had a Tony's marinade. Look for your carb-free marinade. We're cooking it on low. And then you'll see right below that the pork. Now, the pork, obviously we did buy at Super One. We're gonna layer it with bacon, layer it with one of those chopped cabbage. It's gonna be super easy. My kids love pork, so I am super jazzed about that. The rest of the bacon we're gonna cook, and if you move your eyes up to the top, you see that the Monday does have our lunches. We have our BLT, our no nitrate deli meats, which that was our Hormel for me because I do get headaches, and our cucumber will be our vegetable. We're gonna eat off of that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and on Thursday I like to bring a lot of leftovers, so that'll be hot leftovers. And I am Catholic, so on Friday I will abstain from meat, so I will probably have egg salad. Move it on to the next category where you see S at the top, that's supper. And again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're gonna eat off of that turkey or pork, so it's 2 choices. I'm gonna serve mine with cauliflower rice. We're gonna do another frozen vegetable on Tuesday, and of course did you just hear that? Tuesday, totally Cajun sounding right there. You gotta love it. We got our cabbage salad, and again, a quick tip, gang, is I'm gonna cut up the cabbage, I'm gonna put it in a bowl, and we're gonna pull from the bowl to our plate, because if I put the dressing in there, it's gonna have about a 2 to 3 shelf life, and I definitely don't want that. I want a long shelf life. And on Thursday night, you see breakfast night. Now we do Thursday nights in our house because Thursday tends to be like our stressful night where it's the end of the week and I just want Friday to get here, TGIF to come on by. But do this on nights, maybe, you know, the kids have a sporting event, because it's super easy, it's quick, it doesn't dirty a lot of dishes. And did y'all just hear that noise? That was my dishwasher. On Friday, you see shrimp AF. Get your mind out of the gutter, because AF means air fryer. Y'all know I work with Swepco, so we can decrease energy costs in our kitchen. I'm gonna take the shrimp that we got from Albertsons. I'm gonna season it with my Tony spice and herbs. One of those bell peppers we cut up some onion, we tossed it 8 minutes, 8 to 16. We give it a little toss. It is awesome. I know the entire family will love it. Now you see 2 items below that. You see sloppy joes and turkey burgers. That's kind of like our weekend lunches. Real easy items that we could just throw on the stovetop. Now personally, I am not a sloppy joe fan. That is, again, my kids love that. I will serve mine over salad. And you'll see the cauliflower broccoli hash browns. Here is kind of where folks waste money. Breakfast and snacks. Breakfast, I really stick with that and say that word really quick, inflammatory avocado a day. I do an avocado a day, and I do some type of tuna, chicken, or egg salad with it. I need a very heavy breakfast. My snacks, I don't do bars. I think bars are full of junk, and I think bars taste disgusting. I either have the olives on hand, the almonds, the avocado, the epic pork rinds, the bone broth, or almond crackers that I'll make and show you in a video down the road. And you see the simplicity of this menu. Friends, I always tell folks, the more we prep, the more we waste. We don't want to spend our entire lives prepping, our entire Sundays prepping. We have family. A lot of us work double jobs. Now, combined with Albertsons and Super One, I typically hit Drug Emporium. Drug Emporium is a discount health food store. I absolutely love it. You all know I do a ton of work for them. This is where I buy a lot of my low carb pastas and my low carb rice. To see my favorite choices, you can click here or it's here. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and for more videos like this, make a note below, yes, Shelly, I want to see more videos like this, to join an amazing Facebook group with over 12,000 individuals sharing really fun low carb recipes. Be sure to friend Skinny Louisiana on Facebook. Share this video on all your socials, and as a treat, you can download our menu, the recipes that go with it below. Hey, if you're already here, why don't you click on the video that's either here or here? I'm thinking it might be here. And keep watching. Stay on this channel, okay? If you're still watching, that means you didn't click on it yet.